Hello everyone, this is Devil's Advocate. In this video, we'll be going over an article published by Purge Virus CEO, How Bipolar Ionization Tech Will Help Hospitality Win the War Against COVID-19. The op-ed was published by Hospitality Technology magazine. According to Charlie, the CEO of Purge Virus, cleaning indoor air should be at the center of all mitigating solutions to safeguard against the spread of the coronavirus, since COVID 19 is a respiratory disease. It is primarily transmitted from person to person through respiratory droplets. These droplets are released when someone with COVID 19 sneezes, coughs, or talks. Infectious droplets can land in the mouths or noses of people who are nearby, or possibly be inhaled into the lungs. Respiratory droplets can land on hands, objects, or surfaces around the person when they cough or talk, and people can then become infected with COVID 19 from touching hands, objects, or surfaces with droplets and then touching their eyes, nose, or mouth. And several businesses have suffered loss in 2020 due to this. Talking about the restaurant industry, Charlie says that as of 2020, the industry has lost more than $240 billion in sales, and hundreds of thousands of restaurant businesses have permanently closed. And now, more and more restaurants are turning to ultraviolet light and bipolar ionization to kill bacteria and viruses with the use of devices such as portable tabletop disinfection systems that can operate on batteries. So, what is bipolar ionization? In a nutshell, it's a technology that can be used in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems or portable air cleaners to generate positively and negatively charged particles. Ions are all around us and serve as little ninjas that go after COVID 19. When ions come into contact with a microorganism such as COVID 19, they attach to the spikes on the pathogen and disrupt its surface proteins, rendering it inactive. Since ion density is higher outside than indoors, ions are the reason that restaurants are encouraged to have outdoor dining. The higher the concentration of ions, the higher the likelihood that they can connect and inactivate COVID 19 that is floating in the air. Independent research has shown that airborne bacteria and viruses, including COVID 19, were reduced 99% within minutes of exposure to the purification systems described. As government funding starts to become available, many states will offer grants for ventilation and indoor air improvement, as well as there will be utility company rebates to help lower the cost of upgrading heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. As a result, building owners are starting to turn to air purification technology to reduce sick building syndrome and improve air quality at their buildings. In addition to tabletop devices, a restaurant owner can also install ultraviolet or bipolar ionization air purification systems in their building's existing air handling units to clean the air and prevent pathogens from passing into the ducts that supply air to all the rooms in the space. This not only prevents the spread of pathogens but also reduces energy cost, which translates into cost savings for the needed economic recovery. All this sounds great for Purge Virus and the investors of FOMO Corp. But a few points to take into consideration here are: this was specifically good for restaurants during winter season. Now that it's summer, I'm not sure how comfortable are restaurant owners on spending so much amount in creating a comfortable indoor environment. Plus, there are a number of companies that provide bipolar ionization devices. I am still yet to research on how Purge Virus is better than the existing companies.